Good evening. It's Saturday the 7th of May and this is the pastoral scene that I've got down in front of me. I'm up at the Gilnahirk Braniel Viewpoint once again. I'm up to see what's happening down at Belfast Harbour. Well, we've at least 3 cruise ships in at the minute. We have the Queen Victoria, that is in dry dock. It's the biggest cruise ship that any port in the UK has had in dry dock for many decades. So that's a major coup for Belfast. This is the Queen Victoria. And then we've got the Ambience that is leaving at 5 o'clock. I think this might be the Ambience. Nearly sure it is. She is moving. Yes, definitely moving. So that's the Ambience. And then further back, that's a Stena. Further back we've got the, that's an Irish ferry. I think that's the WB Yates. She's in as well for a bit of repair. And then further back, and this looks like the Silver Whisper. But anyway, back to the Ambience. She is an older cruise ship. Built and launched in and around 1990, 91, and her name has changed many times. She was the Royal Princess, she was the Pacific Dawn, the Regal Princess was named the Regal Princess by Margaret Thatcher, no less. But now she's the Ambience, and she was built in 1990, and she was built in Italy at Fincantieri in Italy, and she's run by Ambassador Cruise Lines. She's been refurbished to year 2000. She's 70,000 tons, well 70,285, and she's 240 metres long, and she has 15 decks, 11 of them passenger decks, and she cost $280 million to build. So this is the Ambience. Heading out of Belfast docks. She carries 1,600 of a passenger number and 1,000 crew. that is coming behind me. Oh yes, that's a Ferrari. just what you expect to see up at the Gilnahirk Viewpoint. I knew there's something a wee bit different. Now let's see if we can find the Silver Whisper. And this looks like the Silver Whisper. Ah, found you boy, you. So let's find out about the Silver Whisper. Much smaller boat, possibly much more exclusive. Carries 400 passengers. It has 300 of a crew. Now that's a high crew number. That's almost one crew member for every passenger, which is unusual. And apparently the floor space of this cruise ship, you know, is per person is pretty generous. Built in 2001, built at Mariotti yard in Genoa in Italy. Now, how can Italy build cruise ships and we can't? Anyway, 28,258 tons, 810 feet long, 82 feet wide, number of decks 10, and I have no price for the build of this boat. But, you know, you're talking $200 million? Has to be. So that's the Silver Whisper. And she's on the move as well. I think she's leaving early. She wasn't expected to leave until 6. This is what you get sometimes with cruise ships. If they're trying to you know, meet a schedule, they will go early. And that has happened to me so many times, and I've missed them heading out. So the Silver Whisper is heading out as well. And she's owned by Royal Caribbean. So let's see the progress that the Ambience has made. She's out into the channel, Belfast Lock. So she's out here. Maybe a wee bit further. Aye, there she is. Making good headway. Just passing the steno there. So there's the Ambience. Making good headway up Belfast Lock. I'm not quite sure where the Silver Whisper will have got to. There she is. So, from the viewpoint, up above the Braniel and up above Gilnahirk. And there's my chums, the rabbit family. It is over and out. And there's another Stena coming in. And where's the other boat? Yeah, there it is. So there you go.